Want to know how you can deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week? Well, let me guide you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week. Now, if you recently deactivated your account a week before or within a week, then you won't be able to deactivate it again without waiting for 7 days. Now, the trick is you can always delete your account instead of deactivating. Now, if you delete your account, you can always get back your account information and log into your account anywhere within the 30 days. So, if you want to deactivate your account but you need to wait 7 days, what you can do is delete your account and then log in back again within 30 days, and then you can choose to deactivate it. Now, since Instagram doesn't have a feature where you can deactivate or delete your account through your app, what you want to do is head over to your browser. Once you're in browser, search for instagram.com and log into your ID. Now you can see that I've already logged into my ID on my browser here. Now, once you log into your ID, what you want to do is search for Instagram account delete. And once you search it, you'll find the two options: permanently delete and temporarily deactivate. Now, since you have been opted out of temporarily deactivating your Instagram account, what you want to do is tap on permanently delete, and this opens up. Now scroll down below and you'll find the option to delete your account, and tap on it and the other link or the other page will open up. Now here, choose the option, why do you want to delete? I'll just tap on privacy concerns here. And now if you scroll down, you'll need to enter your password, and once you enter your password, tap on delete your account. Then you can see delete and my username right here. Now if I tap on it, my account will be deleted, but I can relog into my ID whenever I want within 30 days and I can have access to my account. But if I cross 30 days and I don't log in within 30 days, then my account will be deleted permanently. So make sure to relog in your account within 30 days, or you can relog in after you cross the 7 days limit that you have to deactivate your account, and you can open up again and deactivate your account. So this way you can deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.